Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already have the dongle and an OTG or native cable. Plug it in now so we can begin. First, make sure your phone recognizes external USB devices by enabling OTG support in Settings or Developer Options. This allows data and power to flow. Once connected, give the phone a few seconds to detect hardware. If a driver prompt appears, accept or install the small companion app. This is necessary because the dongle needs a software handshake to provide Wi-Fi. Once the device is installed, open the dongle's companion app or the phone's Wi-Fi list to locate the new SSID. This is the network the dongle is broadcasting. You should enter the default password printed on the dongle or change it immediately for security. This prevents others from joining. Then, in Advanced Wi-Fi options, make sure your phone prefers the dongle connection if you want all traffic routed through it. Otherwise, toggle network priority, so apps use the dongle as intended. To finish, verify operation by visiting a web page or running a quick speed test so you confirm internet is passing through the dongle. If performance is slow, move to a location with fewer obstructions and make sure the dongle firmware is updated for best stability. Finally, secure the dongle by changing its admin password and enabling encryption. This protects data. Troubleshooting tip: if the dongle won't connect, unplug it, reboot your phone, and reconnect. This clears driver or power negotiation issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.